Hey there. I have some really exciting news to share with you. There's a new partnership between Ellii and Cambridge. And this collaboration brings together the best-selling adult ESL textbook series, Ventures, and Ellii's engaging, ready-to-use digital and print materials for ESL teachers. This solution now allows us, the teachers, to go on to Ellii's platform and in just a few clicks, be able to find complementary materials to extend lessons that are completely aligned to the Ventures textbook series. I am telling you, as someone who has used Ellii and Ventures together in the classroom for years, this is a game changer for adult ESL and learner success. So what does this partnership look like? Now, on Ellii's platform, we have a specific area just for Ventures. And you can go onto the platform and not only do you get Ventures Study Packs, but you actually get materials directly from the Ventures textbook series. So everything is in one place and it's super easy to use. So I just mentioned these Ventures Study Packs. What are these? The Ventures Study Packs are curated content that we went through and aligned with every single unit in every single level of the Ventures series. When you click into a Ventures Study Pack, you'll get about 4 to 6 different materials, whether it's a lesson or flashcards or videos or a resource that you can use to complement the topic that you have just taught in the Ventures core textbook. Okay, so let me explain to you how I use this as a teacher. I would go and I pop into Ellii and I click on the Materials tab. I navigate down to where it says Ventures, and then I land here on the Ventures page, this new area in Ellii, and I click on Level 3, that's the class I'm teaching, and here's where I land. And you can see that every unit in Level 3 has a Ventures Study Pack filled with Ellii materials that directly align to the grammar or the topic or maybe even the CASAS competencies. Now, if you click into the unit, you can see there's even more. So not only do you get the study pack, but you have access to that adjacent material. So, whether you're teaching a 1-hour class or you have a 6-hour class, there's plenty of material for you to choose from to expand your lessons from the core textbook. And then you can see as well the collaborative worksheets and the multi-level worksheets. So for me, I'm teaching Unit 1, Personal Information. I've just finished Lesson B in the Ventures text, and I need to use the multi-level worksheets from Ventures. I can get those right here in Ellii. And you can see, if you click in, they're all there. Now, I do want to show you what it looks like. I can go and click into Unit 1, Ventures Study Pack, and there I see 4 to 6 lessons, and I want to use the one on personality types because that's what's being covered in the unit that I'm teaching, which is Unit 1. You can pick one of the lessons or you could pick all 6. If you want to pick all 6 and assign it outside of the classroom, it's super easy. All you do is click Add to Class, and you can assign it to your students, and they can either do that in class with you, or they can do it outside of class to get time on task outside of the classroom. It's super easy to see, and it's very easy to export that time on task in a CSV file. So on top of unlimited students and unlimited classes, Ellii now has Canvas integration. Huge help for dealing with student sign-ons. And we're looking to add Moodle and others in the near future. Now, there's something else I want to talk to you about. We now have CASAS practice test for your students and you to use in both the listening and the reading. And finally, on top of having the study packs, the Ventures materials, unlimited students, unlimited classes, CASAS practice, you also get access to our workplace courses, which are wonderful courses to prepare our students for real life outside of the classroom. So this is a real game changer for adult ed. I'm happy to bring this to you as a teacher. I know how valuable this is, and I thank you for all that you do in your programs to help our adult learners achieve success inside of our classrooms and outside in the real world. Take care.
Ellii.